I just want to say one thing to the fans and everybody in Gator Nation. I just want to say one thing. I just want to say one thing to the fans and everybody in Gator Nation. I'm sorry. Extremely sorry. You know, we're hoping for an undefeated season. That was my goal. Something Florida's never done here. But I promise you one thing. A lot of good will come out of this. You have never seen any player in the entire country play as hard as I will play the rest of the season, and you never see someone push the rest of the team as hard as I will push everybody the rest of the season. And you never see a team play harder than we will the rest of this season. God bless. God bless. God bless.
Hey, smash, man! Boy. Oh my goodness!
Great job.
The kick by Hauschka is up, and the Seahawks, for the first time tonight, take the lead.
How way to go!
That's good enough. That's good enough. 3 points. Hey, 3 good enough. Let's go, man. We got to do our job.
We smelled greatness. If we wanted to be special, and now we're going to finish good. Let's go for the top. 1, 2, 3.
It's a man's game now. Put your hands on them and let's play. Put your hands on them and let's play. Let's see if they can play physical football today. Let's see if they can run without nobody touching them. You know what I'm talking about? Let's become great. You know how we do our thing. Follow me. Follow me. Hop on this back. Hey, make your career last as long as mine. It's a man's game now. What the hell's in danger? Time to sit danger. Stop to the room. Stop to the room. Stop to the
Steps up, fires, and that ball is intercepted! The Seahawks take it away again. Another interception off of Tom Brady.
Nice job by Bobby Wagner stepping right in front of Gronkowski. That ball a little bit on the throw.
Ball got behind him, and I threw it, and he just read my eyes.
Best in the league! Best in the league! Best in the league, baby!
He's scared. His heart is gone. It's almost gone.
Hey. Have confidence in me down here. Have confidence in me down here now. There's some stuff there.
Hey, that's something. One play at a time.
Yeah, that's something.
Keep it, boys.
That's it. Keep it, boys. Dash it out. That's it. Come on, one time. That's it. Come on, one time. That's it. Come on, one time. That's it. Come on, one time.
Lynch left side, makes a man miss, star step, he's inside the 10, he's down inside the 5-yard line. Second down and goal from the 1 after the 4-yard run by Marshawn Lynch. Clock still moving, down to 36. Russell is taking his time.
Russell Wilson extends the hands he has. Wilson, quick throw. And it's intercepted. Butler has it at the 1.
Oh my God! We did it, Josh! We did it!
Oh, that's awesome, man. I love it.
Malcolm Butler stepped in front of the throw. Oh no!
Oh my God! We did it, Josh! We did it!
What are they doing on offense?
Hey!
What happened?
Just an unbelievable turn with a rookie free agent out of West Alabama intercepting the ball on the goal line.
We did it, Josh!
The New England Patriots are on to a celebration. A 4th Lombardi trophy
I just want to say one thing. God bless.